It looks like you're interested in joining the sales team at Dorado Furniture. With such a wide selection of some of the most beautiful furniture items in the industry, the Dorado sales team plays an integral role in our success. And here to tell us more about what it takes to be a great sales team member is Julia. Hey, Julia.
Hey, Melissa, how are you?
I'm great. I'm ready to start working.
Perfect. Well, we're off to a great start. So as sales associates, it's really important for us to have an energetic and positive attitude throughout the day because we're often the first point of contact for our customers' journey, and we want them to have a great experience.
Awesome. So the sales team interacts with a lot of people every day, right?
Yes, so we have a lot of different customers with differing needs, and so we need to be outgoing and approachable and obviously have a vast understanding of the furniture.
Great. I'm excited to get this day going.
All right, good. So let's get started. So first, we want to make sure that we have a clean and presentable look that matches the standards of Dorado. So let's go take a look, and then I'll be happy to show you around.
Let's go.
Good, let's go. So Melissa, this is Live, one of our showrooms that features predominantly modern furniture. What do you think?
Wow, everything is so fantastic. With so many beautiful products, do salespeople ever feel overwhelmed?
You know, that's a really good question. Dorado provides extensive product training, though, for new and existing salespeople. So if there's a question on a new product or an existing product, we're always happy to answer it.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah. Actually, here comes Chris. He is one of our top salespeople. Let me introduce you. Chris, this is Melissa.
Hi, Melissa.
Hi, Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. So, top salesperson, you must be pretty great. You got any tips for me?
Yes, actually, I believe as a salesperson here at Dorado Furniture, you definitely need to be able to engage in conversation. You need to have a sense of fashion and be customer service oriented. You know, I think that interacting with the customer allows them to feel comfortable working with you. And to add to that, I believe that in order to succeed in this position, you definitely have to be okay with a flexible schedule.
Oh, Chris is right. So one of the things that Dorado expects is that the employees work on holidays and weekends. Those are the peak times.
But the benefit of this is that you can earn the most money during this time. That can help you with your monthly sales goal, and if you're particularly good at it, can get you into the Millionaires Club.
Millionaires Club?
Yeah, so Dorado rewards hard work. So every year, the top salespeople are invited to the awards gala, and they're celebrated for their achievements.
Wow, that sounds pretty nice to me.
Yeah. Do you want to see some more?
Yeah, show me.
Okay, I'll show you.
Yeah, let's start with this, please.
Let me show you this table first. So how's it going so far, Melissa?
Honestly, great. Everyone's pretty helpful. It almost feels like a second family.
I know, doesn't it?
It really does.
Yeah.
So on a typical day, what would a salesperson normally do?
So they would follow up on orders, they would check schedules, or they would just greet customers.
Sounds good. You know, this seems like a pretty terrific position to work with opportunity to grow.
My favorite part for working for Dorado Furniture would be the opportunities to grow, not only personally, but professionally. Also working with our clients throughout their shopping experiences, providing a 5-star service.
My favorite part working for Dorado Furniture is the work environment, the fair treatment, the motivation, the most importantly, the confidence that you have knowing that you're not by yourself.
I find my support in my position with everyone because everyone plays an important role here in Dorado Furniture. If I can describe Dorado Furniture in one word, it would be family, because we are a team sharing the same goals and passion.
My humble advice for a new applicant as a sales associate is know what you want, love what you do, consider the business as your own. The most importantly, consistent. You will be in love with the result.
My latest achievement in Dorado Furniture has been being the top sales associates for the last 2 years. It's been very motivational to me, and I'm looking forward for the future.
We hope you have a better understanding of what to expect on the daily job as an Dorado Furniture Professional Home Furnishings Associate. Apply now, and we hope to see you soon as part of our Dorado Furniture family.